the danger of thinking outbound B2B cold calling is dead. If you are not including cold calling in your B2B lead gen outreach, you are leaving money on the table. But here's a common question. Is B2B cold calling dead? Short answer, no. But if it isn't working for you, it's probably because you're doing it wrong. In this short video, we will look at why it is not dead, how you can fix it, and make cold calls work for you, and the risk of not including cold calls in your lead generation methods. Why cold calling isn't dead, in fact, the opposite. Cold calling may feel dead because people are busier than ever. Their inbox is flooded, their phones are guarded, so generic, unprepared, spray and pray calls, yes, they are dead. But strategic, well-executed calls, they still open doors every single day. In fact, there are so few people doing cold calls, let alone doing cold calls well, that if you know how to do them properly, you're in a very good position to stand out from other outreach methods that inundate people. 8 tips to fix cold calling to make it work for you and stand out from the crowd. Research before you dial. Don't go in blind. Know the company, know the person, and know the reason why now matters. The first 10 seconds count. Don't ramble. Say your company name first, then your name second, and then why you are calling. Make it fast, confident, and clear. Lead with a problem. Nobody cares about your product yet. Start with a pain that they already feel in their industry, company, or similar others. Have a sharp one-liner. You should be able to explain what you do in one sentence and make it outcome-focused aimed at them. Ask good discovery questions. Make it a conversation. Ask 2 to 3 open-ended questions that uncover real needs. Call at the right times. Timing matters more than you think. Good times are early morning or late afternoon. Tuesdays and Fridays are often the best days. Use a simple framework and keep it structured. Opener, reason, problem, question, next step. Track, review, and iterate. The best callers aren't lucky, they improve. Track what works for you and refine it weekly. The risk of not cold calling or doing it wrong. You waste hours dialing with no results. Busy doesn't equal results. You lose potential good opportunities. You overlook a complete outbound channel. Your competitors will be cold calling. It's often the best way to reach senior people and decision makers. Remember, with any lead gen, it is not the channel that's the problem, it's the execution. Fix that and cold calling becomes one of your most powerful growth tools.